Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. This time I have another Ludos earphones in here, Ludos Ultra, and look at that, it comes in different colors. Ultra blue, ultra orange, ultra pink and ultra black. Alright, so I'm gonna show you all these different colors, guys. Shouldn't have been, sent all four of them. I don't really need four of them, but since they are here, then, well, here we go. And I'm gonna open this up. And before I move on, I want to say that since I have all four of them now, I will say that for every 20,000 views, I will give out one of them to someone from the comments. That's it. Done. Promise is done. So for every 20,000 views, one of these will go out, but it has to be within reasonable time. I'm not talking about years, that if it goes viral after a year or something. Has to be reasonable time. If it does, then I will give it away. So this is the red one. Look at that, guys. I want to open the red one first. That's how the red looks like. One thing I want to explain, that through a camera you never see the color properly. This is like a nice red. This thing like this. This is magnet, by the way. Nice metallic red. These things are kind of like pinkish red anyway. So these are the other types of these. What you call these? Earbuds, I guess. So I use my middle finger. You didn't see it. But these ones are black, and I assume they are black for all of them. So, but these ones, this is how it connects together. If you want to store them, it's pretty cool. This thing in here opens up like so, flies away. It's this nice, it's not even braided cable. I don't know how you call it. It's kind of like rubberish. I guess it's braided, what you call it. This thing also has a premium protection, protection. Right, it's gold-plated for better connectivity. Personally, I don't really think there is much difference between gold-plated and silver-plated. Maybe if you're doing like really high-quality music recording and editing, and you need to, transfer from one to another, then it would matter. But anyway, this is also on 4 channels. On some reason, it shows that it's 4-channel, connector. I don't know why it's 4-channel. These are for like phones and some of the laptops. Oh, it has this thing in here. Is it the microphone? I don't remember on the last one. Plus, minus, that's the volume, I guess. Oh yeah, I remember what it was, guys. This in here, it's a quad for like phones and stuff, so it can control your volume and everything. It doesn't work in MP3 players, but what is this? Next track, maybe? I don't know. See, this is like plus. I don't know how well you can see. This is like minus in here, and this is plus icon in there. Not sure what this is supposed to be. It really looks like a microphone, but I'm not sure again. So as usual, I will test this out, and then I will tell you more about it, how good quality it is. But well, they asked me to show the colors, so I will show the colors. Why not, eh? Now put this in here. Kind of stuck in there. This is aluminium. Oh no, it's not aluminium. Look at that. That's actually really cool. You can hang them anywhere you want like this. Look at that, guys. That's red for you. So this is red. This is black. Oh! Now I did it. Now look what I did, guys. Oh my god, man, I used a little bit too much force. So, this is black. Oh, look at this, guys. It also comes with different bags. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Right, black goes to black, red goes to red. This is the orange. Orange goes to orange. Dun, 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 dun. There's so many of them. Oh, this blue is nice. It's like sky blue, guys. Yeah, this is like sky blue. It's exactly this. No, it's not exactly the same. Some of them, some are not. This is nice. This is, I think, my favorite so far. It's this nice sky blue. And there we go. Oh, look at the orange one, guys. This is not the same. What's this then? I think there's something wrong. You see the orange? The blue one? I dropped something. You see the blue one and also the red one, it's these ones are also colored, but not on these on some reason. So cable is colored. I would say it's fire orange, kind of, not like this lame orange. It's pretty cool. And look at that, guys. You also get a Ludos sticker, which you didn't get before. Looks like Razer, to be honest. It's really cool, guys. I'm gonna put this actually somewhere. Maybe I'm gonna steal all the stickers. You guys can choose the color, whatever you want. I think there's maybe more colors. I'm not entirely sure, but look at all this mess in here. Obviously, I'm not gonna test all of them. I will test just red ones, as I already opened them, like completely. Black, by the way, is kind of like... this one is kind of like shining. But anyway, I have showed you all the colors, how they look like. Now it's test time. So guys, I tested this out on this Todocool lossless MP3 player. And I have to mention, the first thing is that there's something fishy going on and I'm not sure what's going on. I'll put some text on the video because I will find out by the time I will upload it or will publish it. For example, this MP3 player, it has one for speakers, or that's actually line out. It's not speakers, it's just line out. And this is specific for headset. At first, I didn't know what the difference is. I was using this in my car to input out audio, into the player because it didn't have USB. And in car, I used this one because the headset one was really, really quiet on some reason. Like, very quiet. But on this one, it's other way around. It doesn't even properly work on this one. And also on phone, I tested on my old Android phone, and I don't understand this really. This is volume. Yes, you can just slide it a little bit. If it's all the way in minus, that means there is no volume at all. It's muted. So mind this one. Don't forget it on the minus, because then you won't just hear anything. This button, I'm not sure about. This must be some... I don't know what the hell that is. Like I said, I will find out, but it's very weird, because if I plug this into my older iPhone... no, I tested it on Android, I think. Then this button, it didn't do anything. But if I tested it on my Android phone, I have to hold this button down to have this on so-called bass mode. Like... I don't know, it's very weird. It's like if I don't hold it down, the audio quality is like really bad. Like there's no bass and stuff. But if I press and hold it, then the bass is good. And this is just a clicker. You can't really like press it as a button. It's like, a clicking thing. Like a switch, sorry. It is a button, but not a switch. So, but to speak about the quality, if you're using it on a proper compatible device such as this one, then holy wow, the quality on these is freaking amazing. It will blow your eardrums out. I'm not even joking. Okay, maybe some people would like it really, really loud, but I absolutely like the loudness on this one. The bass and the comfort on these. I don't really like that these are not the memory foam. Oh, they are memory foam. Yeah, they are. Look at that. See? This means it's memory foam. See, if you squish it like this, like so, then it will remain where it is. Not for very long. It's gonna, take its original shape after a while. But that's what memory foam is. It doesn't, instantly go back like a normal rubber. I don't believe that these ones are memory foam. I will check it. Let's see. Yeah, these are not. See, this is normal rubber. If you squish it like any way, then it just instantly pops back the way it was. So I don't know. I'm a bit disappointed that they don't send, different size ones. But maybe it's because these memory foam ones, they are, suitable for any size air, really. Unless your air is so huge that this is, just falling out. But anyway, these memory foam, that's what makes the difference in bass. Because bass is, that as good as you seal off the, your air, then the bass gets better. If you know what I mean, If there are gaps in between, then the bass is not good at all. So it doesn't matter how good quality the earphones are. It's all about sealing off the area, and I guess this is why they're using the memory foam. So, really amazing premium quality earphones, earphones. It works with any kind of device. I think it's gonna also work with computer with this thing. You might need an adapter, like $1 or $2 or euros or whatever. The splitter that splits this 4 into just 2. But here you have it, guys, the Ludos Ultra earphones. And I will see you guys next time.